Hi there. My name is Jeff Butcher, and welcome to Exploratory Data Source Analysis 1, Loading the Truth Set demo. And let's get started. So if you haven't already, go to Senzing.com and follow this link to download the Senzing API. Go to the free download and follow these instructions. Or if you're a Docker fan, go to the Senzing community and search for a Docker project called Senzing-up. Which really is a super easy demonstration on Linux or Mac. In either case, a Python directory will be installed with the following directory tree. This directory contains all the Python scripts we ship with, including the EDA tools, the G2 Explorer and the G2 Snapshot and G2 Audit, as well as some demo files that you can practice with. There are two truth set files we ship with, set1 data and set2 data. And you can load these as anything that you want. For instance, I'm going to load this first data set, truth set data 1, as if they were customers. We load with G2 loader. The -p signifies we want the database purged, -f is the file, and /data source is what we want to call it. Let's get that loaded. Great. And now let's load the second truth set file as if it were a watch list. So this time we aren't purging. We'll load the set2 data file and label it as a watch list. Let's get that loaded. Okay, so that's loaded and we are ready to explore data. Please continue on to the next video in this series, Exploratory Data Analysis 2, Basic Exploration. See you there.